Hi, I'm Owen Honey, a local DIY enthusiast from Builders. Have you ever lost your car keys, your house keys, or maybe just need a replacement? Well, Builders can take care of that for you. We offer a key cutting, remote programming, and car key service. Let me show you.
Builders offers so many services. One of those is their basic and professional key cutting, remote programming, and car key service. The basic key cutting service is available at most stores. They are able to duplicate almost all household and business keys. Builders also sells standard replacements for 2 and 3 lever lock sets. Their professional service ensures the accurate key cutting with a wide selective range of blanks. At Builders Key Cutting Service, the friendly and well-trained staff can also assist with the programming of your remotes along with replacement batteries. Some of the larger Builders stores offer chipped keys for a variety of vehicles. So if your car key was damaged, lost, or stolen, they will be able to replace it for you.
Well, all these services are available at selected Builders stores, but if you do need the assistance of a professional locksmith, you can get one via the Get It Done app. Get to Builders, get it done.